warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Eugenia Ines Kristiani Azaria with NIM 1924-0375 from class 19 to 825. Here I will explain about computer and hardware. Computer. What is computer? A computer is an electrical device that works systematically and precisely to various types of data, such as numbers, sounds, and image. Etymologically, the word computer comes from Latin, namely computare, which means to calculate. Simply put, a computer is a tool for performing arithmetic calculation. Types of computer. We know various types of computer according to their function and uses. First, personal computer or PC, designed to be used by one person, usually consisting of a system unit, monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Laptop is a practical portable computer because all the components are integrated and easy to carry anywhere. Tablet is a touchscreen computer that is larger than a cell phone but smaller than a laptop, suitable for browsing, reading, and light applications. Server is a computer used to manage data and provide service to other computers in a network. Supercomputer has very high processing power and used for heavy tasks such as weather research, scientific simulation. Finally, mainframe, which is a large computer commonly used in the banks or large companies to handle large amounts of data and transactions. Computer components. Computer consists of three main elements: hardware, software, and brainware. How computer work? Computer work through four main stages. Number one, input, which is when we give data or commands to the computer. For example, typing or clicking in the mouse. Then, process, which is in the process of processing data manipulation. After that, the results are stored in storage, which is storage media such as a hard disk or SSD, so that they can be reused in future. And finally, output, which is in the finally result displayed to user, for example on a monitor screen, speakers, or printer. Operating system. The operating system is the main software that connects hardware and software. Its main function is processing management, memory management, input or output management, network management, and security assurance. For example of commonly used operating system are Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. Application of computer. Computers are used in various areas of life. For personal application. Number one, communication. Number two, entertainment. Number three, organization. Number four, education. For business application. Number one, office automation. Number two, customer relationship management. Number three, financial management. Number four, e-commerce. For scientists and research application. Number one, data analysis. Number two, modeling simulator. Number three, research findings. Future of computer. Number one, artificial intelligence or AI. Number two, quantum computing. Number three, edge computer. Number four, human-computer interaction. Number five, augmented reality or AR. Number six, cybersecurity. Number 7, sustainable computing. Number 8, wireless technology. Number 9, data storage. Number 10, automation. Conclusion. So, computer is an electronic device that processes data systematically and accurately with the help of hardware, software, and brainware. Computer work through input process, storage, and output process. Regulated by the operating system, its uses are very broad, ranging from personal life, the business world, education, to the health sector. Furthermore, technologies such as AI, computing, and ER will change the way we interact with computer. Thank you. Topics 2, hardware. What is hardware? Hardware is the physical parts of a computer that we can see and touch directly. This component consists of electronic and mechanical parts that are interconnected and assembled into modules according to their function. Without hardware, a computer system cannot run because all processes work on this component. Central Processing Unit, or CPU. CPU is the main component in a computer system that executes commands and processes data needed by software to perform certain tasks. Inside the CPU, there are three main components. Number 1, control unit. The control unit acts as the brain of the CPU, fetching instructions from memory, decoding them, and controlling the execution of this instruction. It also coordinates the flow of data within the CPU and to other computer systems. Number 2, arithmetic and logic unit, or ALU. This unit handles all the calculation and logical comparison within the CPU. It's where arithmetic operation and logic operation are performed. Number 3, register. These are small, high-speed memory locations within the CPU that holds data and instructions that the CPU is currently working with. The server as temporary storage and allow to the CPU to quickly access data and instruction. Perform factor. Number 1, clock speed. Number 2, corrects and change memory. Memory types. RAM and ROM are two types of memory that have different functions. RAM, random access memory, which is a type of computer memory used to temporarily store data that is being accessed or processed by the CPU. ROM, read-only memory, which is a type of computer memory that contains data that is permanent and cannot be changed or deleted after being written. ROM is used to store programs or firmware that are needed for the setup process or certain hardware function. Impact on performance. Random access memory, or RAM, affect the speed and smoothness of multitasking. Read-only memory, or ROM, affect the storage capacity and boot capability of the device. Storage device. To store data, we have two main options. First, hard disk drive, or HDD. Technology, magnetic storage with spinning disk platters. Capability, usually has a large storage capacity than SSD but is lower in data access. Durability, SSD is more durable because there are no moving parts. Speed, slower than SSD because it relies on mechanical movement. The second is solid-state drive or SSD technology. Flash memory has no moving parts, so data access is faster. Capacity. Storage capacity is usually smaller than HDD. Durability. Better durability and resistant to physical shocks because it has no moving parts. Speed. Using integrated circuit-based flash memory chips to store data. Motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board in a computer that serves as the foundation for connecting and according all of the hardware components. In other words, the motherboard is central hub that connection components such as the CPU, RAM, hard drive, and other devices, allowing them to communicate and work together. Motherboards also come in a variety of different shapes and sizes suited to different types and sizes of computer hardware. Input device. Input device is a hardware device used to enter data on instruction to a computer system to be processed. Input can function as a source of information that allow the system to perform certain tasks and produce output according to user needs. Input types. Number 1, manual input. Number 2, automatic input. Input device hardware. Number 1, keyboard. Number 2, mouse. Number 3, microphone. Number 4, scanner. Number 5, camera. Number 6, touchscreen. Number 7, sensor. Output device. Output device are computer hardware that display or produce data that has been processed by the computer, such as monitors, printers, and speakers. This device converts digital data into a form that humans can understand, such as text, image, or sound. Output types. Number 1, visual output. Number 2, audio output. Number 3, physical output. Number 4, digital output. For a file stored on storage or sent over the internet. Output device hardware. Number 1, monitor. Number 2, printer. Number 3, speaker or headphones. Number 4, projector. Number 5, LED touchscreen. Conclusion. Computer hardware is the physical parts of a computer that work together to run the system properly. Number 1, the CPU is the brain of the computer that processes all commands and data. Number 2, RAM and ROM. RAM is temporary, ROM is permanent. Number 3, SSD and SSD. HDD is cheaper and large. SSD is faster and more durable. Number 4, the motherboard connects all components, so they can work together. Number 5, input devices are used to enter data. Number 6, output devices are used to display results. Overall, each hardware component has an important role in shaping and supporting the function of a computer system. Thank you. Maybe that's all I can see about this presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.